Greetings, high vibrations. It's LaLa, your high vibe coach. Ever wonder if you should be juicing or blending? Both are amazing, but they serve completely different purposes. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. And stay tuned to the end for my ultimate tip to get the best of both worlds. Let's start with the basics. What's the difference between a juice and a smoothie? Juices are made by extracting liquid from fruits and vegetables, removing the fiber. This means your body absorbs the nutrients super quickly, giving you an almost immediate boost of energy. Think of juice as a nutrient shot. Smoothies, on the other hand, is the whole fruit or vegetable. You're getting all the fiber, which helps you feel fuller longer and aids in digestion. So, when is juicing your best option? Quick nutrient absorption. Juice delivers vitamins and minerals straight into your bloodstream, which makes it ideal for detoxing and when your energy is running low. Packed with produce, one glass of juice can contain the nutrients of up to 5 servings of vegetables. How do you decide between juice and smoothies? Go for juice when you need a quick nutrient boost or a light drink to cleanse or reset your system. It's perfect for hydration, detoxing, or when you're feeling low in energy. Choose smoothies when you need something filling or you want to pack in a variety of nutrients and superfoods. It's great for replacing a meal or recovering after exercise. Here's the key. You don't have to choose one over the other. Both have benefits and can work together beautifully. Here's my ultimate tip. Combine them. Start your day with juice to flood your body with nutrients and kickstart your energy. And then later in the day, enjoy a smoothie to keep you full and fueled. High vibrations. Are you ready to unlock the power of juicing and transform your health in just minutes a day? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by where to start, what recipes to try, or how to handle juicing challenges, I've got the perfect solution for you. I'm LaLa, your high vibe coach, and I've created the ultimate juicing bundle to make your juicing journey simple, stress free, and oh so rewarding. This bundle includes everything you need to juice with confidence and consistency, whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your wellness game. No more guesswork. Get clear answers to frequently asked questions like, how many juices should I drink a day? And can I juice while working out? Over 50 mouth-watering combinations for detox, weight loss, and immunity designed with your health goals in mind. Turn your leftover pulp into delicious snacks and meals. Troubleshoot common juicing problems like budgeting, scheduling, and consistency. This e-bundle is designed to save you time, money, and keep you motivated. Download your juicing e-bundle now and start transforming your health today. Subscribe for more plant-powered tips to energize your life and check out my next video on 5 common juicing mistakes and how to avoid them. Stay high vibrations. I'll see you in the next video.